Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition. And it was awesome in Secret Sauce. It was totally great. All recorded for annual subscribers, and we did it live. It was wonderful. Now we're going to just do a recap of what we traded today. I'll go through this really pretty fast on it. It was fun, exciting day today. I got 100% rating today from the great traders in the chat room. I was honored, and it was a lot of fun, a lot of excitement. I actually had a live audience behind me watching me trade, talk, and teach. It was great. So I'll just kind of go through with 100%. I could pick any stock you want, but let's just go over ones that stood out. CYRX, PTLA. Okay, these were really nice plays, and Sava short to $8 and under was a great. This was our number one pick for my short sellers in the room on Sava. I'll show you this one. This was really basic, one-on-one day trading. There was no news on the stock. I wanted an all-day fader to $8 and under. You can see the gap up, no news on it. I told everyone to short the stock. Any pop at the open, short it with size, and take it down to $8 and under. And you can see it just hit $8 and going under. So Sava was our number one pick for short sellers in here. For my small cap short sellers, I always give them what they want. The next one that we did was PTLA. This was a wonderful stock today. This one was down on because the numbers weren't so good, but I valued the stock at $15 a share. So in order for us to get to 15, we needed a little bit of a sell-off at the open, which we got. I was calling for about 13 to 13.50, bottom curl, go long, and take it to 15. As you can see, it settled at $15 a share. The next beautiful trade we did was an earnings report on CYRX. CYRX, I read the report, determined that the stock would pull at the open to $14 a share. I told traders to start scaling between 14 and 14.50. The stock will go to 16 or more. The stock ended up going all the way to $17.45 for an all-day move to the upside. It was a beautiful trade today. CYRX. The next one we did today was Myrna. Myrna was a short. Myrna was a short today. I figured the stock valued at $19 a share with the news that it gave out. I wanted traders to start taking it at 21 and above. Any pop at the open to add to it, and just all day bleed to 19 to 19.50 a share. And the stock is currently sitting at 19.21. Myrna was a short. There was no long in Myrna at all. Next one we did today was LK. LK was an offering. This was a beautiful trade today. Many traders banked, including myself. This one had an offering of 42 to 42.50 pricing. And so I told traders, if this pulls at 42 or under, start longing the stock. Even with a 10 million offer, I didn't feel it, or 12 million offer, I felt it would be filled very quick. It was a buying opportunity to buy it at a 42. The stock went all the way up to 45.75. Great trade today. The next one we did today was a stock called WDFC. This was a wonderful trade today. Slow, pretty easy to do. I valued the stock at 186, as you can tell. I'll show it to you. I valued the stock would go to 186 a share right here. I told traders start taking positions at 179 to 180. Add on any pullback. The stock will go to 186. As you can see, the stock is 186.41 a share. Okay, the next one we did today was we could do SNX. SNX was fun today. This was just a nice pre-market game plan. Pre-market entries right here. I told people start taking 100, 200 shares in pre-market, take it at the open. The stock was going to rip it open to 144 or more. The stock actually ripped right at the open to $147 a share. And then from there, I just simply wanted to just short it, bring it down, and it hit all the way down to 140. This was a beautiful, beautiful. If you really look at it, it was a 14-point trade in literally 10 minutes of work. If you didn't nail the top or the long, you could have got the short, and it was beautiful. What a beautiful trade. on this one, on SNX. And this was well scripted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then other one we did today was Tesla. Again, Tesla has been a great trade for us in the chat room, and Tesla we did a nice trade short at 488, 489. I wanted the stock come down to 480. As you can see per my notes, I had 480 for it to come down for 8 or 9 point play, 480 or better. And I wanted everyone to start shorting at 488 and 490. So plenty of room to get in, and the stock would come down to 480 or better to the downside, and then bottom curl it. And the stock ended up going, you couldn't even cover it at 480 because at 480 it just kept falling. We were able to capture at least 5 to 6 more additional points, and then the stock popped right back to 485. So it was a wonderful short idea for pre-market to the open. I mean, we nailed this thing to perfection. And Tesla's been a friendly trader for us all week long. Okay, so that wraps up. Well, I'll show you one more. NVIDIA. NVIDIA was a great play today. We call this, and we got 100% on our charts today on our calls. But man, this one was just another great play. Pop it open to 249, scale in short, take it down. I called 245 and under. The stock stopped at around 244.13. This gap needed to be filled before a leg up, so I anticipated that. Told everyone to short the stock right here. Pop the stock, scale in short, take it down to 245 and under. And then once it hits that area, bottom curl it and play it. Just really great calls. You know, good setups. I mean, look at, I'm not even talking about Urban. Urban was great, 25.40 long to 26.50. I valued the stock at 26.50. I want you to take a look at this one. Urban went to 26.50 from 25.50 right here. And it hit within a 1 penny. Beautiful. So, anyway, that was our wrap up for today. It is Friday. I do want to get out of here, enjoy my weekend, and go hike and have a wonderful time. I want to thank you for joining us today. It's been a pleasure, and it was a wonderful day to trade today. And if you want to follow me, this is my Twitter page. I am AJ Trader 7. My name is AJ, and I am Awesomecalls Trading. And these are my pre-market notes, as you can see, all written down. 10 minutes before the bell rings, I start telling you each play, each setup, where to get in, where to get out. I actually tell you some of them in writing, where to start entering your stock positions, where to start taking, where to start sizing in, and what's going to pop at the open. I guide you through each trade. I walk you through, I talk you through the day. Click here, you're in our link, our webpage, and just go in there, scroll down, and you are set. And just pick a day, a week, or a month. And of course, there's the annuals. We're doing a New Year's resolution annuals as well. And it was just a great day. Great. Love our room. All right. So take care. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend. And you can always visit me on YouTube here, Awesomecalls Trading. And you can listen to any of my past webinars right here. They're all located. I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them right here. I mean, you can go on and on and on and on and on. Okay. Good afternoon, traders. So, anyway, take care. God bless. And have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.